how to log out of Facebook on all devices. Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are looking to ensure the security of your Facebook account by logging out other devices using your account, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will walk you through the straightforward steps to log out your Facebook account on all devices at once. Let's get started. First and foremost, open up your Facebook application. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top. You will land on the menu page. Over here, tap on Settings icon. Under Account Center, tap on Password and Security. Under Account Settings, tap on Password and Security. Under Security Checks, tap on where you are logged in. If you have multiple accounts, select the relevant one. You will land on the Account Login Activity page. Here you can see logins on other devices. The named devices are where you are logged in. Review if there's any suspicious logins. To remove all logged in devices at once, tap on Select Device to log out. If you have many devices logged in, you will find that option at the bottom. Right here, tap on Select All. At the bottom, tap on the button named Logout. A pop-up will appear asking if you are sure. Tap on Logout and boom, you have successfully logged out your Facebook account on all devices at once. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.